construction related safety studies workshop. No, construction stage safety workshop performed. And recommendations summarized below.
Very good. Okay. That's good. So that is really good. So we have done HSE. There are 4 actions in HSE. All are closed. So there is no major concern. And we had only 1 action, and the action is closed. So there was no recommendation because this is not occupational related things. And constructability, there was 3 and all are closed. And
you checked this, right, Chairman, you've seen all the recommendations and close out, right?
Yeah. We've seen.
Okay.
Yeah. And I'll put the construction CONSTICEL.
And Chairman, you have to put the HSE tracker also.
Tracking vessel, huh?
HSE action tracker, where you see the closeout, no? Now, HSE action tracker, Vimal, I think we have to issue as officially for company information. Although we have put in Excel sheet, we are not issuing closeout sheet, no, okay, but we have to issue HSE action tracker and register, okay? Vimal.
Okay, sir.
And
that is a formality you have to perform. That is a formality.
Okay.
So, Vimal, after the workshop, you can give me the number and I will update it.
Okay.
Right? Yeah. Good, guys. So now we are going for.
Now you put in recommendations, sir. If you want, you can put recommendation. HSE action tracking register will be issued officially to company.
Sure.
Because they have not issued yet.
Correct?
Okay.
Very good.
It is ECW contractor, not EPC, ECW contractor.
ECW, huh?
ECW.
Okay. Guy, going for the second objective, verify the project integrity management process, including engineering. So we'll have